So good. Hi everyone. Today I am making another winter dish, that is green soup, Portuguese style, called Caldo Verde. In Portugal, it's eaten in any season, and this is one of my favorite soup. I will make it in a very easy way with my Nepalese twist. The flavor comes out so good, you never ate like this before. Please watch this video until the end. It's gonna be fun. You will learn some tricks and how to cook mouth-watering delicious dish. If you like this recipe video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Let's get started. First of all, to make the caldo verde, we need collard greens, Couve Galega in Portuguese. If you don't have this, use kale. I have 200 gram here, already washed. If you wash it when we have whole leaves, it absorbs less water. Now take a leaf and cut off this backbone. And keep the couve on layers, one on top another. I will do it like this for all. Last one. After finishing separating, fold them like this to cut it easily. By the way, these stems you can use to make the broth. Let's keep it aside now and continue. Now I am going to cut them in fine strips or fine julienne cut. In Portugal, they even have a special machine to cut it, and you can even buy it already cut it in all supermarkets here. Try to make it as fine strips as possible. Here is mine. Looks good. Keep it aside. Next, 400 grams of potatoes, washed and peeled, and cold water to reserve them after sliced. Now let's slice the potatoes. This will help to keep them in good condition. Keep it aside. Next, mince 4 cloves of garlic randomly. Chop half onion randomly too. Coriander stems around 3 tablespoons to give a fragrant and lively aroma. And chop 2 little chilies for my Nepalese twist. If you can't, skip it and use black pepper instead. Let's keep them all aside and start to cook. First, I'm going to boil the Couve Galega. Let's turn on the gas on high heat. I have a pot here with 2 liters of water and half teaspoon of salt. As soon as the water starts to boil, drop in the couve strips and give a little mix. Turn heat down to medium and let it boil around 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, it should be almost cooked. Remove it and put it in ice water to stop cooking. And reserve this broth to cook potatoes. Next, heat a pan on medium heat. As soon as the pan gets slightly hot, drop in 4 tablespoons of olive oil, chopped garlic, onion, chopped coriander stems and chilies. Stir them very well and let them soften slowly around 6 minutes. If it needs, stir them again a few times to soften evenly during this time. After 6 minutes looks softened, mix well again. Drain the water from the potatoes and add in salt around 1 teaspoon. It helps to cook fast. Stir it very well to combine. Remember, we already used salt while we boil the couve, so make sure you use less now. At the end, we taste and add in if necessary. Let it cook around 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes passed. I will add in all the stock that we reserved from the couve. Combine it very well. Turn heat up to high to boil fast. Now is boiling, lid on. Keep it open little on the side like this. Turn the heat down to medium and let it boil for around 10 minutes. If your potatoes are bigger in size, then you might need more time to cook. After 10 minutes, take the lid off. It is cooked, see? Now I'm going to blend it with a hand blender. Blend it very well until it's creamy. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use potato masher and mash it very well. Now I finished blending. Let's check. Looks good. Now add in all reserved couve. Mix it well and let it boil for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to taste. So good and everything perfect. I use 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You use to your taste, it's up to you. Turn off the gas and we are done. Now the chouriço. Traditionally, chouriço doesn't cook inside the soup. Cook it apart and slice it in round pieces and serve 1 or 2 pieces as a garnish per plate. If you go to Portuguese restaurant, they will give you or we expect at least a piece of chouriço. So in home, of course I couldn't skip it. I used 250 grams of good looking chouriço. I cut it into half. One half I cut it in diagonal and another half diced in small cubes. For the full recipe, please go to my website pabskitchen.com. I fried them in a pan with a few drops of olive oil until it got crispy and reserve the chouriço. And the delicious fatty oil from it. The way I make it, it's so crispy and delicious. And having with the soup explodes the flavor all over your mouth. I'm going to garnish the soup with it. Let's put the soup on the plate. Sliced of fried chouriço. And fried cubes. Looks gorgeous, and a few drops of oil from the fried chouriço. Fantastic! I can't wait to eat. Mix all together. So good. Add more crispy chouriço. Awesome. The good thing about cooking in home is that you can eat as much as you like. In restaurant only gives you a piece or two. This soup is like a complete meal for me. It has greens, potatoes and chouriço for the protein. And the flavor, so good. I hope you like my Caldo Verde recipe. For more delicious recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.